adorable little creatures are hermit crabs, and their owners have custom-designed beautiful shells for them. However, hermit crabs aren't true crabs. They are decapod invertebrates. Unlike other crabs, hermit crabs don't have a hard shell to protect their soft abdomens, so they rely on external objects like shells as their homes. As they grow, they search for more suitable shells, sometimes even fighting over their favorite ones. Hermit crabs are omnivorous and occasionally nibble on algae, acting as scavengers in the marine ecosystem. They live on beaches, reefs, and in shallow waters, and some species have even adapted to life on land. Interestingly, hermit crabs have a social behavior involving shell exchanges. When one crab finds a suitable new shell, it informs others, forming a line of candidates that take turns moving into the shells. This moving process is full of intelligence and cooperation. Would you like to have such a cute and unique little companion?